Hi traders, this is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. Thanks for stopping by. This is your March 15th, 2016 midday market report. We're going to run through a bunch of charts, the S&P 500, Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, Twitter, GoPro, let's see, potentially a couple others. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and sign up on the free trial tab and you can take advantage of all of the member-only features for free, like the live chat room, private Twitter feed, daily watch list, daily member video, educational videos, and most importantly, the profitable trade alerts, which not only make you money in the market, but they teach you how to become a better trader on your own. And that's because we're not just handing out alerts, we're teaching you how every trade is made, and you learn the why, the what, the where, and the when, and the how of every single trade. It's a great opportunity to learn while you earn, and we'd love to have you. So let's take a look at these charts here. This is the 15-minute chart for the S&P 500. We've got support at 201. As you can see, we've been calling it out in the chat room all morning. We've got the support from over here. The high of this candle, pierced barely right there, high of these candles right there, and it's the low of the gap up over here. I believe it's 201.14 to be exact is the low that we want to see hold. So a 15-minute close below that, and it's going to send us to that gap fill down there at about 199.50. But we are bouncing at it right now. As you can see, the initial candle was a hammer. Here we've got another hammer right there, and we seem to be making some upside progress, so we could fill that gap up there. Use this 201 support as a level here. You got to pay attention to that. If we can break higher, definitely see this gap fill possible today. So we'll see what happens. Let's see. Facebook. Okay, Facebook filled the gap from this morning. We've got support at about 109 and we've got resistance at 110. As you can see, if I expand this chart going back, we've got a lot of rejections around here on this 110 to 110.50 area, okay? So definitely an area that you want to be aware of. Twitter, again, breaking down some more. If you've been following along, you know that I've been pointing out based off of the daily chart here. Okay, so this daily chart here, we broke through this 1750 level right here. We came back up and we got rejected at this new downtrend line right there. So no surprise that Twitter is heading down right now. Okay, you should not be surprised. We broke this key level. Okay, we had a touch here, 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 here. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of them, but we've got, 10 out of the last 20 days has touched this 1750 level, so you know it's important. And then when it breaks, it broke on heavy volume. You see that? Okay, this is the biggest volume day since the very beginning of February. Okay, so almost 2 months, I'm sorry, 1 month. It's the biggest volume in almost a month, okay, on that support break. So you should definitely not be surprised by this move lower on Twitter. Okay, so let's take a look at Tesla. Go back to the 15-minute charts. Okay, so Tesla, we've got support at 212. We've got a gap that needs to fill at about 215 right there from this morning. You want to see 212 hold if you're bullish. We've got resistance just above 216. As you can see, it topped off there not once but twice yesterday. Okay. Amazon, we are coming up to just a little mini downtrend line. I'm not putting a ton of weight on it, but it matches up with this 573 resistance right there. We've got the high from this candle right there. We're coming up to it right now. It was the lows of all these candles, and if you expand the chart, you can see big resistance here at that 573. Between 573 and 580, there's huge resistance here. As you can see, we traded many days in that range right there. So a lot of resistance in this range up here. So it's no surprise that we got rejected, at least initially here within this range on Amazon. Okay. All right. So GoPro, clear breakout over this resistance right there. I'm sorry, did I say GoPro? I meant Apple. Um, yeah, it's flagging right here. As you can see, a really strong opening candle on the 15-minute chart. Came down here, was flagging, broke out of the flag. Uh, so far, so good on Apple. It looks bullish. Definitely will hope to get some market help. We'll see what happens. Okay. Last but not least, GoPro. Okay, so GoPro right here, currently under support. If you've been following along the daily chart analysis that I've been doing, you should not be surprised that Apple is at below $12 right now. I've liked it short from $15 from the daily chart. We had a downtrend line. You can look back and follow those videos if you want to look at them. But right here, for the near term and the 15-minute chart, we've got this downtrend line right here. Okay, from the highs over here, we've got a touch here, 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 and here, and then we were below this 112 support, so it's now resistance. We'll see what it does with it. It can break over it and still be bearish on the daily time frame. So just be aware of where you're at on all time frames, and you should be good to go. Appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out this video. Hopefully it will help you out in your trading or investing in the market. If you're not already a member, go ahead and sign up and join the fastest growing community on the web. And the best part about it is it's free. We'll see you over there.